Hey guys, today's video is going to be my February Ipsy unbagging. Okay, so the theme for this month is Swoon So Hard. There's lots of love this month. Aside from your 5 personalized picks, flip for more on those. Let us introduce you to your next beauty crush add-ons. Ipsy add-ons. Starting now, in addition to your 5 picks, you can choose any 3 product samples. Hair, makeup, skincare, and more to add to your next glam bag, starting at $3 each. Okay, I thought they were gonna say for free, then I was gonna get excited, but samples for $3 each. Nothing. Oh my gosh. Wow. They actually have a list of the products this month. They've never done that before. Whoa. Okay. The bag this month is super cute. Perfect for Valentine's Day, which is already passed. But I got my red lips on for Valentine's Day, even though it's like totally crooked. First thing is from MAC. Woo. Let me refer to the card. MAC Studio Fix Powder in NC30. You guys all know this, right? You know what this is. This is weird packaging though. So there's that. How the hell? This is like flimsy, cheap ass packaging. I feel like I'm gonna break it. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this little, I'm gonna break it. I'm gonna break it in half. This is from Feel Beauty. This is the Renewed Pumpkin Walnut Facial Cleanser. This brand believes that beauty isn't just something you see, it's something you feel, and we can so get behind that. This exfoliating cleanser is loaded with vitamin-rich ingredients like pumpkin and walnut powder to gently exfoliate and get your skin looking glowy and gorge. Alright, La Ritzy Cosmetics. This is a long-lasting liquid lipstick in the color Title. It's the color that I will wear. La Ritzy. I think I've gotten something from them before. Ooh, it smells like coffee. Coffee. That's what it smells like. Let's swatch it. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that's like super like creamy. It goes on. Very creamy. Sky is from Meech and Mia. It's a pressed eyeshadow in taupe. A brand that's always on trend and affordable. What's not to love? This matte finish mauve pink eyeshadow looks chic from day to night, and it's so good for adding subtle depth and definition to your neutral eye looks. Meech and Mia, I've never heard of this brand before. Have you guys? Anyone? Anyone? Let's see, this is so cute and little. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, you can kind of sort of see it. Okay, last thing in the bag. Daisy and Pearl. This is the Natural Radiance Booster. Where is it? Oh, no, sorry. This is from Seraphine Botanicals. This is the Natural Radiance Booster in Daisy and Pearl. Seraphine's products are made from plant-based, fair trade, sustainably sourced ingredients. This highly pigmented highlighter, it's a highlighter, okay. It's made with natural daisy flower extract and jojoba seed oil to nourish and hydrate your skin. All right, let's check it out. This is really pretty packaging. Oh. So my thoughts on this month's bag. First of all, the bag is super cute. I really like it. I like that they put the products on the card now. Like I said, this is the first time they've ever done that. They usually just send the products in a card that just says like the theme of the month, and then you're just kind of like, You'll definitely try out this La Ritzy lip color. I think it's super pretty. This guy, pumpkin walnut, yeah, you know, sounds kind of gross to me. I'm not a pumpkin fan. You know, I'm not even going to open it actually because I probably will not use this. Eyeshadow, I will definitely try out. It was, oh, I took it off my hand. I went to look and it was gone. Super subtle, but you know, it could be pretty. So, you know, we'll try it out. This MAC, what is this again? A foundation sample. Oh, we'll try it out. And then the highlighter was super pretty. I'll definitely try it out. This month's bag was all right. You know, I think it was all right. That's it for this video. If you guys are interested in signing up for Ipsy, I will have a link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video.